Hello everyone, this is Rochelle again. So for today, we're going to do a hairdo tutorial. So we need hair elastic, um, hair pin or bobby pin, and the hairspray. So if you want to learn how to make this, I'll give you the link. So first, we're going to twist our hair using our fingers. So grab a top section of hair and then twist. Add hairspray. Grab a section of hair again and twist. Add hairspray. Then let it dry for a while. Then gently smooth it. The next step is to put your hair into a side pony. Like so. Then make a hole at the top of the hair elastic. Then insert the tail like so. Now the next step is we're going to twist it again. And then add the hairspray. Let it dry for a while. Then once again, insert the tail. But not all the way. Like so. And then to secure it, use bobby pin. You can add hairpin here if your hair on the other side starting to fall off. So just grab a tiny section of hair there, and then like so. And then you can add the hairspray again if you like. So if your hair is super long or and straight, you can curl your hair first for more romantic effect, and then bun. So that's it. Hope you guys like it. Please visit and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and hair tutorial. And also, if you want to learn how I made this long stretchy beaded necklace, I'll give you the link. So here's the final look.